Hi, welcome to Showtime, 2003 68 Hargrave that's just hit the market. The top 3 things about this boat, starting with number 1 being the nice open floor plan of the main deck. Everything's on the main deck with nice big panoramic windows, huge salon, big galley, and your helm. Makes you feel like you're in a much bigger boat than what you have. So coming in at number 2 on the list definitely has to be the flybridge. Very large flybridge for the size boat that you have, plenty of room for entertaining, plenty of seating. You can even store your tender towards the rear and still have enough room to do anything you need, meetings, entertainment, parties, whatever you need, the boat's got enough room for it all. So last and final thing on the list that I love about this boat is the mechanics. I've just gone through all of it. We've done new impellers, brand new aftercoolers, housings, and seals, all the running gear, all brand new motor mounts throughout the boat, and just fully detailed the engine room. She's ready for her next owner and ready to take you on your next trip to the Bahamas. So that's the top 3 items on the 68 Hargrave Showtime. Now available for sale, able to be seen in Fort Lauderdale. Call me with any questions or inquiries, 954-658-6900. Thanks.